All right, will you please welcome to the stage Mathilde?
Hello. Millions of Australians are affected by tissue loss due to aging, trauma, cancer, or birth defect. To replace that tissue, we anticipate that within 10 years, all major hospitals will have 3D printing centers forming a seamless part of the patient care pathway. My name is Mathilde Desselle. I'm a project manager at QUT in Brisbane. We are teaming up with Metronos Hospital and Health Service to create the Heston Biofabrication Institute. Biofabrication sits at the convergence between biology and engineering. So we use 3D technologies, such as 3D scanning, 3D modeling, and 3D printing to make body parts, such as bone and cartilage. We also make permanent implants and prosthetics. So this is what it could look like, that institute. So I'm a cowgirl, and let's say this is my friend Chris, who kindly came with me from Brisbane. And Chris and I love to compete at rodeos on the weekend. Unfortunately, Chris doesn't want to wear a helmet. And today, they followed their horse. And as you can see, they've got a pretty nasty skull injury right here. With the Hospital of the Future, a paramedic on site can scan that defect on their skull with their phone and send that data to the hospital. A computer engineer at the hospital will take that data and turn it into a 3D model of that defect. That 3D model is handed to a biofabrication technician who is going to 3D print a biocompatible scaffold like this, and that scaffold is going to be ready to be implanted as Chris arrives in the operating theatre. Excuse me. Now, obviously, this is the example of a bone injury, but you can also think about it in the context of a hip replacement, or maybe resection of a tumor on the pelvis, or maybe a mask for a child with facial burns. In an era of personalized everything, including in healthcare, we can now use advanced manufacturing to create patient solutions that are both automated and personalized, rather than one or the other, like healthcare tends to happen now. To do this, in 2018, we are opening a 3,000 square meters Biofabrication Institute at the Royal Hospital in Brisbane. In that institute, we'll bring together world-class researchers, clinicians, industry partners, patients. It's important we bring them back into the research conversation. We haven't been doing that very well sometimes in medical research, and entrepreneurs as well. They'll be together for the very first time in a clinical setting to create the hospital of the future. What's important is that all these partners are focused on the impact for patients. So what that means is lower health costs, better access to better treatments, and better quality of care, and ultimately better quality of life. So just leaving you with this, if you would like to be part of the journey, the doors to the Hospital of the Future are wide open. So please join us, and don't be like Chris over there. Wear a helmet. Thank you.